Hi, how are you? I'm going to talk about today easy to use AI tools for the students to study smarter. Many a times in my presentation, the students ask me which all tools they should use. I only say that as a student, your focus should be on the tools which will maximize your learning rather than learning the tool itself. You should not waste most of your time on learning the tools. You should focus on learning 4 5 top tools which can help you in your studies. Okay, so today that's the purpose of the entire presentation. You know and uh, the for the people who don't know me, I'm Vivekanand Bharti. I am an AI practitioner for and last 2 years, and then I have been in this IT industry for 20 plus years, and exploring the latest technology and how it can be helpful for the student and for the business user is my main aim. Okay, so let's start. As I said, we should go about how AI tools I know can help you. you know so first of all, let's go back and do the reverse engineering. Say that what all things we need from the tool, and what are the help we require from the tool. First, first, first number one help we require for the from the tool is getting help to understand a topic. Second, we may require from the tool is summarizing the topic, then creating the quiz from the topic, so that we can check our learning. Creating flashcard so that we can solidify our learnings. Creating mind map to channelize to understand the flow of the topic. Creating image sometime for your notes, for your presentation you may require to create images, and creating presentation for your class. Okay, so these are the high level things you require to do as a student. Now we will go back and see which all tools are tools you can use to achieve this purpose. We should not focus on learning too many tools. Rather, we should focus on learning top 2 to 3 4 tools, so that your time is not getting wasted on learning the tools. Rather, you utilize this time to maximize your learnings. Okay, so now let's move on quickly to which all tools, how to understand the topic. Now, as you know that I have created lots of videos in my prior presentations and my prior videos on ChatGPT. How you can use the ChatGPT as your study buddy. You know, I can just show you quickly that only one thing you have to remember while using ChatGPT. You have to enable the study and learn mode. And when you do the study and learn mode, you can see it here. Study will come, and you can ask any question. Either you can type in your question. Sure. Explain me what is crop rotation, right? You can type in like this, right? And it will tell you all this. It's just thinking and see, right? Crop rotation means growing different types of crops in the same field, and then it will ask you. You can ask it a follow-up question to understand it better. Okay? You can also, you can rather than writing, you can ask this. You can the verbose mode. So that, for example, I have said, "Hey, ChatGPT, can you explain me crop rotation?"
Absolutely. Let's figure it out together. So, crop
Yes,
rotation is basically the practice of
right.
changing the type of crop.
You can
Exactly.
ask this type of question, and I have made a detailed video on how to use the chat GPT in the study mode, and I will give you the link in this video too. Okay, now let's move on second tool we have. Now what we have to do, like for example, second thing what we have to do is summarizing the topic, creating quizzes, and creating flashcards, mind map. Now one of the good tool you can use for this is, you know it's notebook LLM. This is also free tool. You can use that, and see, I will show you that. I will give you the link of all the tools in the description, so that you don't have to really worry about. And I don't want you to, as I said, I do not want you to confuse with too many tools. I want you to give you the tools which will help you in passing all your purpose, so that for each and every topic you don't have to select a new tool. Otherwise it will be 10 to 11 tools you have to learn. I will give you the tool, 3 to 4 tools for your entire purpose as a student. So now let's come to LLM. This is the link I will give in the video description. Now see here, I have just updated one chapter from the biology, and that is fundamental of unit of life. And see, what is this? Once you read the topic, what you can do is you can create a flashcard. Just click on the flashcard and it will give you the flash. And you can check your knowledge. Who first observed and described cells in 1665 by examining a thick slice of corn? Try to answer first, and then you can see the answer. Okay, and then you can ask for explanation as well. Okay, so these are the things. Now you can also go back and say, okay, give me the quizzes, and now it will give you the quiz. Okay, see here, who were the first scientists to observe named cells? And it will not give you directly the answer of this question. You can ask the hint, and it will give you the hint, so that you can it will lead you to guided answer rather than giving you the answer directly. Okay, now you can, which cell organ is known as the powerhouse of the cell? That you have to use mitochondria. You should be able to see. If you don't know, or you want to you are confused, you can just ask. Has a highly folded inner membrane to increase its surface area for its primary function. And once you are done all this thing, you can just ask the answer for this. Okay, now suppose you want to create a mind map for the entire chapter. Just click on the mind map, and it is generating a mind map for your chapter. This will help you to understand the flow of topic from how the topic is interconnected with each other. And that all these things you can do from one tool. So 2 tools you learn from till now. One was ChatGPT, and second one we are discussing is Notebook LLM by Google. Okay. Okay. This is where we are. See this here. See the this is a fundamental unit of life, the cell. What is the discovery and history? See here. This is how it is. Robert Hooke, 1665, observed thin slice of. This is the mind map. This is the beauty. You can see, and wherever you are, want to go in detail, you can just click on it, and it will, further go into detail of it. Right? You can download this and save it as PDF for your review during the examination. Right? So you made the flashcard, you made the quizzes, you made the mind map, you make the reports, you can make the let's close this out. Okay, you can make the reports, you can make audio overview of this entire book, and video overview also. Video overview, that will take time, you know, because it's a very lengthy process. Okay, audio overview, you can, for example, you are, you know, got bored after lots of study, then you can just on this audio, and it will, you are doing something, you are just relaxing, and then it will give you the audio, so that you can listen to it, listen to the entire lesson. Okay, now let's move on. Now what do you have to do? For example, you have to make a presentation for your class, on a certain topic. What you do? One good tool is, you can use Gamma. You can, and recently I have also explored, this tool, kimi.com. I will give the link in the description. This is also a very easy to use tool. For example, like you can create a, just by saying all the slides you can create by just on the basis of text, and it will give you the template, and then you can modify the slides, slides as per your requirement. Okay, for example, you have to create 5 slides presentation on quantum computing for 13-year old. Right. Okay. See, it will do lots of research. Okay, it will do lots of research for you, and then it will, since you have mentioned 13-year-old, it will create based on 13-year-old, based on the understanding of 13-year-old. Okay, and now it is saying preset mode or adaptive mode. Okay, now you can select a template. You can select a template, any template which you like, and just say, okay, I selected this. See the beauty. You are not doing anything. You can just grab some water, and it is working for you. Okay. See. Wow. Okay. See the beauty. See the beauty. It is generating because it is just 15%, so it will generate it for you, and then I will show you, or you can edit it. Anything you can add, delete, do anything on this slide deck, to make it fun and make it yours. Let's see the beauty. It is walking. Just wait, because it is doing a lot of research also, and now it is finalizing the topic, and then it is detailing the topic for you. Okay, see, it will put appropriate picture also. It will put it is putting the text here, it will putting the picture. So, well, okay, it will keep doing it. I just stop it, so that, yeah, what, okay, let it be 30%. I think it will be done. Yeah, see this, see, it is doing. That's why it's taking time. It will take time, because it has to generate the image, it has to generate the text, it has to do the thinking, all those things. See, qubits, if you know about the quantum computing, it's different than classic computing in terms of qubits, right? See everything. See the beauty. You are not doing anything. See my both the hands here. I am hands up, and and your presentation is getting ready. Okay, you understand the beauty of it, right? And once it is ready, you can just edit and make yours. Okay, it is still 76%. Yeah, I think it is on 10th slide. Yeah, you okay? See this? See the beauty. See the depth it is going for you. See, thank you. Now, okay. Now you are 100%. Now you can first of all you can make this yours for your for class presentation. Make this your as your teacher says. Put out your name here. You can put your name. It is your edit, right? Put your name. Okay. If you want to change anything, you can change anywhere. You can change anywhere. The date, the format, what is quantum computing. You may want this. You want to change this, go back, you can change this too. Okay, outline, anything, slide deck you can change. What I am doing is your basic structure is ready. You don't have to, you are not staring at a blank presentation. Something is ready for you which you can modify up and upgrade based on your requirement. Okay, okay, that's great. Now let's move on. What we're doing now, suppose for example you have to make some images for your presentation. You can also there is a tool called Labat. This also again uses GPT-5. Here you can just this is also again a very simple tool. You can come here. I will give the link in the description, and you can just come and type the text. Create an image of an robot offering a flower to a boy. Right? Right. Just I said something simple. Okay. See that? He's walking. My hands up. He's thinking. Let me create that image for you. I will design something. Let me generate. See, it is the model. There are multiple models you should not worry about. Gemini Nano Banana is one of the best models. So see this out there. See the beauty. See. You can download this image. You can just click on it and you can download this image here. Okay? That's it. See? So, what is the recap you can do? You can connect with me for such videos. This is my YouTube handle, and I will give the link in the description so that you can watch all the other videos which are very beneficial for the students. And to just have a quick recap that of this video is you don't have to waste time on learning too many tools. You should focus on your studies, and you should do a reverse engineering. What action, what I have to achieve, and which tool is the best for it. If I have to do quizzes, I have to summarize my text, I have to make presentation, I have to make flashcard, I have to make a mind map, I have to create reports. All these things can be done by ChatGPT and Notebook LLM. For presentation, you can use Kimi. I gave you the demo. Simple to use and very it's a very a powerful tool for your uses. For image generation, you can use ChatGPT itself, or you can use Labat, which this is again a free tool, very easy to use. You just give a text and it will generate a image for you. If you want to make some changes in that, then you can do that by again texting it. Okay, so that's it for today. I will give all the links in the description so that you can you know evaluate all the tools, and just as I'm saying again and again, you just have to you know select 2 or 3 best tools which you can keep using for your studies, rather than exploring every day a new tool. That will waste lots of your time. And that's why that was the very basic purpose of making this video. Thank you.